is like a water. When it's turbulent, it's difficult to see. When it is calm, everything becomes clear. Myself, Mahalakshmi Nakiran, doing third year physics in Idya College for Women, Kumbakonam. In this video, I am going to explain about a water level indicator. Usually, we are wasting the water like spoiling the drinking water with the drainage. The statistic shows that we are mostly wasting the water through tanks. Nowadays, there was a scarcity of water. We are using the tanks in all schools, colleges, and public places. From the tank, the water overflows. By using this experiment, we can control the overflowing of water in tanks. It has two problems. First, there is no system to track the water tank. Second, when water pump is started, we have no idea when the water is filled. For this experiment, I am going to divide a tank into three parts. 30% of one tank, 60% of one tank and 90% of one tank. Now I am going to explain about the circuit. The circuit consists of BC547 transistor, 220 ohm resistor, LED bulb, 9-volt battery, switch and sound buzzer. The heart of the circuit is a transistor BC547. There are totally 3 transistors in the circuit and each one sensing the level of water present in the tank. We should place the transistor on the wood. Then we have to connect the collector part of a transistor to the resistor. Then the LED bulb negative side is connected to the resistor stop end. The negative part of a sound buzzer is connected to the transistor and the resistor joint. All the positive side of an LED bulb is connected with the buzzer's negative side with the single wire. All the emitters are connected with the single wire. The battery's positive is connected to the switch in offside mode. The battery negative is connected to the emitter joint and then the switch and the LED bulb are connected with the single wire. The tank wires are connected in the base part of a transistor. For the earth, we should fix the fourth wire on the positive side of an LED bulb. Without the earth wire, the experiment does not work. Now in the tank, we should fix the earth wire at the bottom of the tank and then a green color indicates the 30% of a tank and the red wire indicates the 60% of a tank and the yellow wire represents the 90% of a tank. When we switch on the motor, the water is going to fill in the tank. When it reaches the 30% of a tank, the first bulb glows. When it reaches the 60% of a tank, the second bulb glows. When it reaches the 90%, a third bulb glows and also an alarm indicates. By this indicator, we can switch off the motor. Because of that, we can reduce the overflowing of water in that tank. There is one more advantage in this circuit is we can find out how much of water present in the tank. Just we have to switch on the circuit. How many bulb glows means that much of water present in the tank. In this way, we can find out how much of water present in the tank. Water is most important one. March 22 is celebrated as a World Water Day. We should not give an awareness only on that day alone. We should save the water in day-to-day life. Without water, we cannot live. By using this experiment, we can save the groundwater. We never know the worth of water till the well is dry. We never know the worth of water till the well is dry. Save the water. Thank you to all.